Jalalabad is the fifth largest city of Afghanistan. It has a population of about 356,274 and serves as the capital of Nangarhar province in the eastern part of the country. About 80 miles from the capital Kabul, Jalalabad is located at the junction of the Kabul River and the Kuna River in a plateau to the south of the Hindu Kush Mountains. It is linked by highways with Kabul to the west and the Pakistani city of Peshawar to the east, including through the Khyber Pass. Jalalabad is a leading center of social and trade activity because of its proximity with the Tokham border crossing, 65 kilometers away. Major industries include paper making, as well as agricultural products including oranges, lemon, rice, and sugarcane. Helped by its warm climate, it hosts Afghanistan's second largest educational institute, Nangarhar University. For centuries the city has been favored by Afghan kings and it is a cultural significance in Afghan poetry. Afghanistan Portal Faxian visited and worshipped the sacred Buddhist sites such as of the shadow of the Buddha in Nagahira. In 630 AD Shanzang, the famous Chinese Buddhist monk, visited Jalalabad, which he referred to as Adinapur, and a number of other locations nearby. The city was a major center of Gandhara's Greco-Buddhist culture in the past, with sites such as Aham Posh, until it was conquered by Ghaznavids in the 11th century CE. However, not everyone converted to Islam at that period as some still refused to accept it. In Hudud al-Alam, written in 982 CE, there is reference to a village near Jalalabad where the local king used to have many Hindu, Muslim and Afghan wives. The region became part of the Ghaznavid Empire in the 10th century. Sabuktigam annexed the land all the way west of the Neelam River in Kashmir. The Afghans and Khiljis who resided among the mountains having taken the oath of allegiance to Sabuktigam, many of them were enlisted in his army, after which he returned in triumph to Ghazni. The Ghurids succeeded the Ghaznavids and expanded the Islamic empire further into Hindustan. The region around Jalalabad later became part of the Khalji territory, followed by that of the Timurids. It is said that the original name of Jalalabad was Adinapur. Jalalabad was named in honor of Mughal ruler Jalal-ud-Din in the last decade of the 16th century, the grandson of Babur. The modern city gained prominence during the reign of Babur, founder of the Mughal Empire. Babur had chosen the site for this city which was built by his grandson Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. In 1560, it remained part of the Mughal Empire until around 1738 when Nader Shah and his Afsharid forces began defeating the Mughals. Nader Shah's forces were accompanied by the young Ahmad Shah Durrani and his 4,000-strong Afghan army from southern Afghanistan. In 1747, he founded the Durrani Empire after reconquering the area. The Afghan army has long used the city while going back and forth during their military campaigns into the Indian subcontinent. The British Indian forces invaded Jalalabad in 1838 during the First Anglo-Afghan War. In the 1842 Battle of Jalalabad, Akbar Khan besieged the British troops on their way to Jalalabad. In 1878, during the Second Anglo-Afghan War, the British again invaded and set up camps in Jalalabad but withdrew 2 years later. Jalalabad is considered one of the most important cities of the Pashtun culture. Siraj-ul-Imat, the residence of Amir Habibullah and King Amanullah, was destroyed in 1929 when Habibullah Kalakani rose to power. The other sanctuaries, however, retain vestiges of the past. The mausoleum of both rulers is enclosed by a garden facing Siraj-ul-Imat. The Suleiman Khils, a Pashtun family famous for their scientific research, is from Jalalabad. Other celebrated Pashtun families originate from the villages near Jalalabad too. From 1978 to early 1990s, the city served as a strategic location for the Soviet-backed Democratic Republic of Afghanistan. In March 1989, two Mujahideen rebel factions backed by Pakistan and the US assaulted the city during the Battle of Jalalabad. However, government forces managed to drive them out within 2 months, which was a major setback to the resistance fighters and the ISI. The city was heavily bombarded and hundreds of civilians were killed. Many buildings, such as schools, hospitals and public buildings were destroyed during the two-month battle. After the resignation of President Najibullah, Jalalabad quickly fell to Mujahideen rebels of Yunus Khalis on April 19, 1992. On September 12, 1996, the Taliban took control of the city until they were toppled by the US-backed Afghan forces in late 2001. Al-Qaeda had been building terrorist training camps in Jalalabad. The city returned to Afghan government control under Hamid Karzai. The economy of Jalalabad gradually increased in the last decade. Many of the city's population began joining the Afghan National Security Forces. Construction has also increased. The Jalalabad Airport,